Welcome to Module 2. In this 5-video series about teaching and learning, we will explore what good learning looks like and how to spot it during classroom observations. We begin here with our first video that talks about the science behind how we learn. Have a look at these different ways of learning. Which ones do you think helps us remember the most information afterwards? Let's have a look at what the science of learning tells us. This is how much information we would remember afterwards. What do you think is common between these three ways of learning? Our brain changes when we learn. This is called neuroplasticity, which means that our brains continuously change and grow as we learn new things. We did not always know this, but brain imaging technology has shown us how moldable the brain is, that it is not at all fixed. In fact, it is dynamic and responsive to experiences throughout our life. Psychologists tell us that the brain constructs understanding by relating new things to things we already know. This is an active process, which means that it works best when we have to think about what we are learning. It also helps us to talk about what we are learning because talking means that we have to think as well. Here's the ways of learning list again. Does this explain why these methods work better than the others? They all involve actively engaging with learning, while in the others we play a more passive role. Before we end, here is something for you to think about. How can we encourage our teachers to use more active ways of learning? In the next video, we will learn how to identify a learning-friendly lesson. Thank you for watching.